Hi there, fellow adventurers. Today we're heading to the stunning region of Rjukan, Norway. A place steeped in history and surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. Our first stop is a poignant memorial just outside Rjukan, dedicated to the heroes of World War II. This marks the spot where the ferry carrying heavy water destined for Nazi Germany was sunk. The ferry SF Hydro met its fate here, a crucial event in the fight against the Germans' atomic bomb program. Arriving in Rjukan, I highly recommend a visit to the museum. Here you can explore the history of the SF Hydro and the SF Ammonia, the steam ferries that once navigated Lake Tinn. You'll even find a fascinating model of the train transporting the heavy water in those two containers. Next up, prepare for an incredible ascent on the Gaustabana. This unique funicular railway takes you inside a mountain, leading to the summit of Gaustatoppen, which stands at 1,883 meters above sea level. Be prepared for a possible wait during the summer months, especially on sunny days. The journey involves two trains. The first takes you into the mountain base, and the second whisks you from an intermediate point to the very top. For the adventurous souls among you, and if you are in good shape and not afraid of heights, consider hiking to the Gaustatoppen. Walking all the way out to the Gaustatoppen at 1,883 meters above sea level is an unforgettable experience. Another must-see is the Vemork hydropower plant. Here you can explore the rebuilt basement where the heavy water was produced. The exhibition, with an entrance fee around 250 NOK, Norwegian kroners, tells the dramatic story of the Norwegian heavy water sabotage. For outdoor enthusiasts, I highly recommend walking the Saboteur Trail. This is the very path taken by the brave men of Operation Gunnerside as they set out to sabotage the heavy water production. Check out the link at the end of this video for a detailed hike along the Saboteur Trail, complete with historical insights. These are just a few of the incredible experiences that await you in Rjukan. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future content. Thank you for watching and happy trails!